Hey folks, how are you? Hope you're doing well today. I want to make this video talking about HSBC came out today with an announcement. They're saying get zero commission rates as an active trader with HSBC Invest Direct and put your investment goals within reach. All right, so let's talk about this. So this is interesting. This has the potential to stir up some storms in the Canadian brokerage industry, I think. Now, guys, I'm pretty much a nobody. I'm just an individual trader. I trade my own money and I'm motivated to build my consistent mindset to be able to trade effectively consistently. That's it. Now, so with that being said, I'm a nobody. I don't own a firm, and this is not financial advice. So I'm not saying that you should trust what I'm saying. I'm just making this video for leisure purposes and for comparing broker fees and stuff like that. All right. So let's get right into it here. Zero commission rates. Wow, that's really shiny on the surface. That's awesome. Great job. All right. So now, does this have potential to change anything in the Canadian broker industry? Maybe, maybe not. So let's keep reading here. Taking advantage of the great investment offer for active traders in the form of $0 commissions on North American online equity trading only, including ETFs, excluding options and fixed income trades. Now, it does not state whether that is for a margin account or a TFSA account or any kind of registered or non-registered account, okay? So it starts April 4th, 2020, and the limited time offer is until the end of the year of 2020, which means that after that, it's over and no more zero commission trades. So what's the point? Are you giving zero commission trades or not? Guys, in case you didn't know this, but the majority of US brokerages now are offering zero commission equity trades for the US equities and very low cost for the option trades. All right. Now, obviously, there have been issues with this thing. Like if you trade with one of those brokers like Robinhood or even TD Ameritrade, their executions have been just about garbage for a while now. Now, I don't know why, but that's what I've heard from active traders that I contact, and they say that TD Ameritrade is acting horrible with the execution. So I trade with Interactive Brokers. My executions have been great. Flawless, in fact. All right, so to qualify for the offer to become an active trader with HSBC, you must make 150 trades per quarter over a rolling 3-month period. Okay, so let's talk about this real quick. So 150 trades, that might seem like a lot of trades for a regular trader, but believe it or not, if you're an active trader, and depending on your trading style, you can make 150 trades in a quarter. Although you need to keep in mind that if you're always going to be focused on making 150 trades per quarter in order to not pay commissions, that's not going to benefit your trading, in my opinion. That's not going to be something good to keep in the back of your head while you're trading. Look, again, it depends on your trading style. Let's say you're a short-term trader. For example, this week I traded about 14 times, 15 trades approximately this week, okay? Let's say you take 5 trades a week, open and close. You take 5 trades a week, which means 1 trade a day for 5 days of the week, open and closed. So according to HSBC, that's going to be a total of 10 trades because they're open and closed. So that means you're going to be taking about 10 trades a week. So 10 times 4 weeks in a month, 40 trades in a month times 3 months equals 120 trades. So if you trade 5 times a week, 5 trades, open and closed, you're still not going to be meeting that 150 trades per quarter thing. Now, obviously that doesn't include if you're scaling in and out of positions. And this is the big problem with these Canadian brokers, and except for Interactive Brokers, is that their commission fee, flat fee, absolutely kills you unless you trade ginormous size. Okay, look, if I buy 100 shares of a stock and then I want to sell 50 and then I want to sell 20, I'm going to be paying commission for every single one of those transactions. Now, if I'm paying $0 commission fees on those scaling out type of trades, then that starts to become better. Okay, so they need to be more specific as to what exactly they're offering here and what accounts it applies to. So I do know that they offer margin and cash accounts for short selling and for options and all that stuff, but again, they're not being very specific in terms of what they're offering, okay? So we need to go a little bit deeper here and see what exactly there is they're offering and see if it is in fact competitive or not. Okay, so guys, I'm making this video, again, not to tell you that they're bad or that what they're doing is a scam or whatever, but I am trying to keep you informed as to what you as an individual, where you should be potentially looking to put your money if you're going to be investing or trading stocks or options, okay? And in my opinion right now is that the majority of Canadian brokers don't have it down. They do not have the commission structure down. They are charging way too much for commissions, and for day trading, it's absolutely horrible. Unless you trade with huge size. Like I said, if you trade like 100,000 shares, sure, $5 commission. But if you trade, for example, if you're trading small positions, ça marche pas là. It doesn't work. Commissions and rates. Let's take a look at this real quick. So North American trading commission, global trading commissions, administration fees, and interest rates. So let's take a look about these North American trading commissions here. And you can see that they have different sort of account types. You have the HSBC Premier Preferred Client Pricing. Ways to qualify for this is you need to maintain $500,000 Canadian in your HSBC Invest Direct account and complete below 149 trades per quarter. Okay, listen, I'm 25 years old. I don't have 500,000 Canadian dollars to just put into an investing account. Okay, so right away, who is this geared towards? Not me. HSBC Advanced Preferred Client Pricing, same deal. Maintain that much money in your account. Okay, so look, either way, you're paying $6.88 per commission. Now, active trader, you need to trade more than 150 times per 3 months of the year, which is a lot of trades in my opinion. Look, there's not trades every day in the market, guys. You know, you show up in the market some days, it's choppy. You don't know what's going to happen. I don't approach the market saying I'm going to trade every day. I approach the market in an objective way where I'm there, I show up, I'm ready for things to happen, but it doesn't mean that something's going to happen. So that 150 trades per quarter thing, I don't like it at all. Okay, then they have online trading rates, ETFs and equities, pretty much same thing, $4.88 plus $1.25 per contract. You know, that's a ripoff, guys. I'm sorry. They don't have it down yet. Like, they just don't have it down. Look, I opened up a trade on Friday, that Zoom trade, if you watch my trade review. To open that put option trade, I paid no commission on that trade. Okay, and I can show you the proof if you want. I actually received a rebate in my account for the commission of that trade because Interactive Brokers has a commission structure that, depending on where you fill your orders, you can get a rebate on your commissions and stuff. Or sometimes you pay more commissions if you're removing liquidity from the market. Anyhow, back on topic here, they have telephone trading as well. I don't know, I'm not interested in telephone trading. I need a good trading platform. I want to execute with the press of my button. Boom, buy, boom, sell. I don't want to be on the phone saying, hey, can you buy me this at 28? Can you buy me this at 29? No, I want to be right here and go, boom, I'm buying it, baby, let's go. All right, probably this video is not so informative after all. So again, back to the zero commission thing, you can see Canadian and US options, fixed income, GICs, new issues, active trader pricing. Let's just take a look at this here. Active trader pricing, zero online North American equity and ETF trades for active traders starting April 4th, 2020 for a limited time offer. Now, just take a look at this webpage, guys. There's lots of green check marks everywhere you look. Now, when I have a contrarian mindset, especially about the financial banking industry, okay? Because the majority, now you need to realize this, is that the majority of things in the financial industry are not made for your own benefit, okay? They're not made to benefit the individual. They're made to benefit the institution, okay? So if you can see a webpage like this with a ton of check marks, it looks great, doesn't it? Well, that's because you need to read between the lines over here and they'll tell you a few different other things. So our lowest rates for online traders, $4.88 for North American equity trades, including ETFs, and $4.88 per and plus $1.25 per option contract. Okay, so according to this, Canadian interest rates, if you're holding money in your account, whether you're holding $250,000 or any of this, in all of these accounts, you're not getting anything. You're not getting any interest. Now, Canadian debit interest rates. So let's say you borrow and you have a cash account, no, let's say a margin account. Margin accounts for borrowing. You're paying 5.5%. Pretty expensive. How about in US dollars? US dollars, you're paying 6%, even worse. All right, guys, so I just want to conclude this video saying that I think that this is really interesting in the fact that this is the first Canadian broker to come out and say, okay, guys, we're going to give zero commission rates for active traders. I mean, once you read between the lines a little bit, you'll learn that it's just kind of an offer until the end of the year. But I think it's beneficial because they're starting to stir up a storm as well in the Canadian brokerage industry. At least that could be an outcome. Now, probably it won't, but that would be nice too. If we saw some zero commission brokers in Canada, that'd be nice too. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm getting Instagram messages, so I will wish you a good day. Take care.